It's a cloudy Saturday morning today. I wake up at 7:30 a.m., deciding I'll be working on Sammy New York this morning. Let's get started. Today, what we're trying to do is implement timed choice menus into the Sammy New York game. I've never worked with timed choice menus before, so to get a feel for the coding, I copy a segment of the timed choices code I found on the ren'py forums into a new test game file. After confirming the code does work in ren'py, I decide to copy the existing code into my Sammy New York game script. I then make the necessary edits in order for the code to work inside the game. After all the changes have been made, I test out the game by going through the gameplay. It turns out it works perfectly. Look at the bar going down as the time goes down. We've succeeded!